Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance without KYC. First, understand that unverified accounts have certain limitations, primarily affecting withdrawal amounts and access to advanced features. Your main avenue for trading will be through the peer-to-peer marketplace. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection and a trusted device to protect your assets and personal information from the outset. This foundational step is crucial for a safe experience. The peer-to-peer, or P2P, marketplace is your gateway to trading without full verification. Here, you can directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies with other users, utilizing a wide array of local payment options. It is essential to carefully review the reputation and past trading history of your counterparty before initiating any transaction. Binance acts as an escrow service, holding funds securely until both parties confirm the trade, adding a layer of safety. It is important to note the limitations of an unverified account. You will face daily withdrawal limits, often around 0.06 Bitcoin, and access to advanced trading features like futures or margin trading will be unavailable. Direct fiat deposits and withdrawals are also restricted. If these limitations hinder your trading needs, exploring decentralized exchanges, or DEX, might offer more privacy and fewer restrictions for certain activities. Security is paramount when trading without full verification. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Be extremely cautious of any unsolicited offers or messages from unknown users, as these are often attempts at scams. Crucially, never share your private keys, seed phrases, or login credentials with anyone, as this could lead to irreversible loss of your funds. Stay vigilant and trade safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.